Hello, my name is Kevin and welcome to What to Eat. What to Eat is an application that helps you pick a restaurant for those times where you just cannot decide on what to eat for lunch or for dinner. Um, what to Eat is built off of Ruby on Rails for the backend, React, Redux, and React Bootstrap for styling. It also utilizes the Yelp API, and the Google Maps API. It also uses HTML5 geolocation for the user's current location. So upon landing on the web page, you're greeted with a list of restaurants. Now, these restaurants are not filtered in any particular order, nor are they sorted by the type of cuisine the restaurant is. The functionalities of this web page is fairly simple. It just helps you, it basically randoms a restaurant near your location. So if I were to click on this button, random a restaurant near you, it's going to pick a restaurant, any restaurant that is near you. So if I were to click on this, I see I am greeted with Mango Dessert Brooklyn. So I guess I'm going to have dessert for dinner tonight. Other than that, if you know what you want to eat, you can also utilize the search bar. So for example, if I want tacos tonight, I can simply type tacos, search for tacos, and I'm greeted with a bunch of restaurants near me that serves tacos. So let's just say this looks good. I can click on this and I'm greeted with a bunch of information about this restaurant. I'm greeted with the hours, the rating, the contact information, the location, and the distance from this restaurant to the user's current location. And I can see that this restaurant is currently open also, so that's good. So at the bottom, I can see the reviews for this restaurant. And to the right of this, the reviews, is the Google Maps. It shows you the current location of this restaurant. So if I were to go back to the main page, and let's just say I can't decide on what to eat, what types of cuisine I want to eat. At the top here is a list of cuisines. They change every time the page is refreshed. So for those times where you really don't know what to eat, hopefully this bar up here can, kind of give you some inspiration on what to eat. But I can see that there's Vietnamese. Maybe I'll eat some Vietnamese tonight. So if I click on Vietnamese, I can now see a list of Vietnamese restaurants near me. Now, deciding on what to eat versus where to eat is two different things. So, for example, I want Vietnamese, but I don't know which restaurant I want to eat at. I can just click on this random from list, and it'll just pick out a restaurant near me. So I can select this, and there's information. So as a user, you can create an account, but I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. So as a user, let's just say this restaurant specifically, I really like this restaurant. I can add this to my favorite. And if I were to come over to my favorites, I can see that it's in my favorites. So for those of you who have an account and you have a bunch of restaurants that you really like, you can add them to your favorites, and you can also random all the favorites inside your favorites list. So if I to click on random favorites, I only have 2 currently in my favorites, so it's going to be a 50-50. But as you can see, it randomed this specific restaurant for me. And that is the current functionalities of this website. I plan on adding a lot more to this, more social media aspects to this, kind of like a friends list, kind of like a gathering, but that's going to be in the future. So yes, thank you for listening, and I hope you have a understanding of how this website works. Thank you very much.